Alright, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Big Mike. Today we have a New Orleans staple for you, shrimp Creole. As always on Cooking with Big Mike, you know we like to start off our day with a cocktail, so I have a little orange here. Go ahead and give us a nice slice of a piece. Give a little cut. Throw it in our glass here. Gonna muddle this up a little bit. Let's add some ice. Alright, so we're gonna do 1 shot of vodka, 1 healthy shot of vodka, 1 can 6-ounce pineapple orange banana juice. We're gonna do about 2/3 of that can. One. Good shake. Alright, for the finishing touch, we're going to go ahead and add a little grenadine syrup.
You forgot to take the top off.
Yes, I did. Alright. I'm gonna top this off. I'm gonna add a little grenadine syrup. That's delicious. But, as I like to call it, it's heartburn in a glass. Alright, let me explain some of the ingredients we got going on today. We got our Trinity plus garlic over here. For those of you who don't know, that's celery, onion, bell pepper. Then, like I said, the garlic. We're gonna have some crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, green onion, bay leaves, shrimp stock, and our peeled and deveined shrimp. And if you can't find shrimp stock or seafood stock at your local grocery market, you can use chicken stock or just fortify some vegetable stock with some seafood of your choice. So shrimp Creole, you start off with a roux. Take 1 cup off your fat. In this case, we're gonna use oil. Get that in there. Let that start heating up over a nice medium-high heat.
Oh, you about to fry some fish.
Alright. Oil's heating up, so we'll go ahead and add our flour. Stir it in slowly. Try not to get any clumps. Really starting to incorporate that in there. See, we're starting to get a nice peanut butter color. I'm gonna go ahead probably another minute or 2. Then we're gonna add our vegetables. Cook them down in here for about 5 minutes. Add our vegetables in there. We do this because we can go ahead and wilt these vegetables down while also still cooking our roux. Incorporate some of that delicious flavor. Swap over. Turn this down a little bit. Cook this down for about 4 or 5 minutes. Then we'll add our stock and our tomatoes. Alright, as you see, we've been cooking down for about 5 minutes. Our vegetables are starting to get a little wilty. We'll go ahead and add our dry ingredients. Alright, let's go ahead and start adding our liquids. We're going to start off with the tomato sauce, 1 can. Turn up our heat now. Add about 2 cups crushed tomatoes. And stick. Alright. Get about 5 cups of our seafood stock. Slowly start to incorporate this. Go ahead and mix some of that in there. Whoops! Fire in the hole. Incorporate that some. Add a little bit more. Starting to thicken up real nice. A little bit more. Alright, we're gonna let this cook down for about another 20 minutes. And then we'll add our shrimp for the last 5. Alright, put in a couple bay leaves. Add a little aromatic bitterness flavor. Alright, we're about halfway through. I'm gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper. And then I leave this up to each individual, to your own taste preference. Alright, we've been cooking now for about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and see how we're looking. Oh yeah, smells fantastic. Go ahead and add our green onions in. Put those in. Fold those in. Now we'll go ahead and add our shrimp. Alright. That cooked down for about another 5-10 minutes. And we will be ready to go. Alright, we've been cooking now for about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and plate this up and eat. Beautiful shrimps in here. Alright. Green onion for color. There we go. Alright, we got our finished shrimp Creole here. I like a little dash of Tabasco on mine. Alright, take a little bit of that delicious garlic bread, sop some of that up. That's good. Let's get in here for the main attraction. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And always remember, never trust a skinny chef.